no hope. Our communities are being destroyed. The Earth must be returned to the heavens. Total destruction mode is authorized. Magno loop activation in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Magno loop firing. Atmospheric detonations in progress. Magno loop firing. Nuclear detonations in progress. Total destruction mode engaged. Total destruction mode engaged. Total destruction mode engaged.
The path are destroying. Massive holes exposing the mantle have opened over path bases. Global seismic shockwaves in effect. Magnetic holes and paths. Magnetic reversal in progress.
Oh, what do we have here?
It's a path. It's a path. The path. Wait, hold up. How long is this for?
2 hours.
Hold on. No!
End of file presentation. You may now enter the last remaining Omega compound. Thank you for discovering the history of the path, and we, in the afterlife, hope the recovery of humanity will soon begin, and will make the world a better place. Thank you, and may God be with you all.
Finally, I am done with this. I am so tired. Where can I get some food? Oh, that's right. Wait for me. LOL.
Oh, that is just a future projection. Filming 510 years from now. Alright, okay. Wait, hold up. Is that Bob?
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the governments of the members of the United Nations and NASA. It was confirmed that Meteor X, that is on a direct collision course with Earth, is not only contained with uranium, but also is contained with an extremely dangerous virus venom warhead. NASA is unable to identify this virus, but it can cause the infected person to have characteristics of a zombie. In addition, the virus has only infected 13 people, and will soon begin to become an enormous and unstoppable population. This virus will also spread to animals and plants, and can kill very quickly. This dangerous meteor is also confirmed to be as large as Earth, and only one planet will survive. Meteor X will impact in 3 hours or less. I regret to inform this, but there is no way to survive this catastrophic event. There is no meaning of life anymore. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode, if you want to. All residents of the world, gather all of your family and friends, and prepare for our final moments on Earth. If you are a part of a religion, pray to your God for the best of the afterlife. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, that whosoever believed in him should not perish, but have eternal life. Once this broadcast ceases, all internet, phone, and data lines will be shut down for the final time. This is the rise of the cross-mutating necrosis virus, or XMNV. Could there be anyone brave enough to end this catastrophic event and save the world? This concludes the final global emergency alert system activation message. We wish you a happy afterlife. God bless you all.
Okay, cool. So Bob is trapped in the future. Our friends could be trapped sometime in the future. Meteor X is a virus-laden warhead, large as Earth. 7.8 billion innocent lives are at stake, and we are the only ones who can stop this terrifying catastrophe. Yeah, I know I have to stop, but it's just... I don't even know what you're talking about. Okay, cool. Nice. Let me go check. Bob! He actually used the time machine to go back 510 years from now. Well, we can use my tech glasses to go back in time, so let's do that. Bob? Bob? Mamma mia! Oh, cool. Spaghetti. Give it to me. Hey, what's wrong? I'm hungry. Well, that's rude. Adios being a little... And what are you doing here?
Emergency warning. Emergency warning. Emergency. Emergency warning. Emergency warning. Emergency. 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 Emergency warning. Emergency warning.
The United Nations headquarters is under attack. Groups. Emergency broadcasts may fail. Tune to radio.
Mamma mia! Well, I goddamn knew it. Well, what now, fat ass? That kid left us behind. Only to catch... Who? I don't know who. He's always trying to serve his car. Hey! Let's go! Joking! Hey, what the hell? I was gonna ask the same goddamn thing to you! Alright, fine, I'll show you the criminal. In fact, listen. The following message is transmitted at the request of Gonzales Incorporated the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the International Criminal Court. At approximately 4:55 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an anonymous young female was caught charging crimes against humanity, stealing 4.5 thousand nuclear warheads, and the mass murder of 15.7 thousand civilians worldwide. In addition, the following countries have been experiencing nuclear attacks recently: United States, Canada, Mexico, North Korea, South Korea, China, Japan, Russia, India, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Turkey, Jordan, Israel, Sudan, South Sudan, Morocco, Spain, Portugal, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Luxembourg, and Germany. It has been confirmed that more nuclear attacks have been launched and experienced by those countries. The exact death toll of the nuclear attack wave is currently unknown. Neither has been the launch site, as there are various launch sites of the nuclear attacks. In addition, it has been confirmed that a second wave of nuclear attacks is in progress. Citizens are advised to stay in their homes and build a shelter in the lowest level and the most central part of your home. If you are in a random building, head there. Head to the basement and the most central part of it. Bring 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, pets, bandages, and a first aid kit. The nuclear strikes are estimated to begin within 5 minutes. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. That was all we knew. Took us until now to finally catch that idiot.
Attenzione, porta del fratello. E tutte le colpe catturate attorno sempre da chiede.
No! No sad music! No! No! Perfect! Oh, about the crime! Zombies! Run for it! I'll take care of these beasts. I have grenades and a mine. Now run! You heard that kid! Run like hell! Oh, that's the last of him. No, it's not. Dude, what are you thinking? You just killed a random civilian. I ain't talking to you. You want the same fate? No, but good point. Then scram. Hi there, Chief. How's it going with the Oh, I can't. Okay, I see now. Yeah, I just killed 100 zombie swarms alone. Yeah, bro. Good point. What did you just call me? Nothing. Wait, listen, we got another broadcast. I'll tune in to the channel.
This is the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by for a broadcast from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Normal programming has been suspended. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking shortly. Emergency information is incoming. Please stand by. 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 Stand by.
This is a broadcast from the Global Emergency Warning System. Multiple emergencies are in progress. Please stand by if your country is in immediate danger. 2 emergency warnings are in effect for the entire world. One warning is regarding a 2.5 meteor, now classified as Meteor X, now classified as same size of Earth, is on a direct collision course. Meteor X will impact in 30 minutes or less. Another emergency warning is in effect for the entire world. All nuclear weapons that are active have been deployed. The anonymous female has been assumed for possessing these weapons. The female's identity has been revealed, and she has escaped from the Federal Bureau of Investigation's headquarters. All nuclear weapons are incoming. Estimated impact time is 10 minutes. The countries of North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia will be sterilized, and the zombie plague will be neutralized. The cold weathers will be inhabitable for zombies to live in. Nuclear explosions are estimated to begin within less than a minute. Seek shelter immediately. It is too late to leave your location. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nuclear explosions are estimated to begin now. 75 nuclear warheads are incoming to the United States. A gigantic explosion has occurred outside of Baltimore. The presidential motorcade has been destroyed. The president is safely aboard Air Force One. No information is available at this time. Attack in progress. Attack in progress. Attack in progress. Attack in progress. End of the line, Splitzer. Let's go.